here. All right, I am going to show you really quickly how to sign up for Notion. This is what we use to access your homework. So this is the email that I got. I'm just inviting myself to our general client folder. This will say your name when it is your homework. I'm going to go ahead and click to jump into Notion. First, I'm going to type in my email, the one that was sent to me for the homework. So I'm just going to use an old email that I have. I'm going to continue with that email. Then it's going to send me a login code that I am going to copy and paste. It looks like this. Paste. Next, I am going to then type in my name. So here, Austin Payne or Austin Slimp. It's my old name. I'm going to type in a password. Test 1, 2, 3. Continue. And then I'm just going to answer some basic questions. So right now, I'm going to use this for work because I'm launching a blog or a shop with you guys. Then I'm going to name my company. Maybe it's just my name. Maybe you can type in your blog or shop name here. How many people work within your company? Typically, it's going to be 1 to 49. What is my role? Founder, which is going to be most of you guys. What is your team? I don't know. Other? There are nobody? Doesn't really matter. How are we planning to use it? Probably to manage projects, right? Like we're managing this website design project or the branding guide project. That sounds good. Next, we're going to click continue. And we're not going to invite anybody. We're just going to jump right into Notion. And from here, it's going to introduce you into the dashboard and take you to the homework.